Touchdown, Vietnam. Hello everyone, it's another day and another vlog, and today is officially our 12th day of travel here in Southeast Asia. From Korea, nag-side trip tayo dito sa Vietnam for another week. At syempre, hindi natin po pwedeng palampasin ang 50% discount ng aking anak dito sa Hilton Garden Inn, Da Nang, Vietnam. We arrived at around 3 a.m. in the morning, so konting tulog lang talaga, and ayan, morning na. It's a rainy morning here in Vietnam. And started off the day with, of course, the breakfast buffet. Alam nyo, mas type ko yung breakfast buffet nila dito sa Vietnam kasi everyday talagang maraming variety of food. Unlike dun sa Seoul, parang paulit-ulit lang yung breakfast nila every morning. And after nga namin kumain ay naglakad-lakad na kami dito sa beach ni Daddy, which is just steps away from the front of our hotel. Napaka-convenient talaga. And on the way home nga ay nadaan kami dito sa spa, napamassage tuloy kami. Ang mura ba naman, $10 each lang eh. And after that, umuwi muna sa hotel, nagpahinga, nag-dinner ng steak. O diba, for $12 may steak dinner ka na. San ka pa? Ang mura talaga dito sa Vietnam. So yun lang muna for day 1. See you again on day 2. God bless everyone!